Anchor text that does not match the content it links to can drop your page rankings. LinkVector can help you avoid that. In this video, you'll learn how to easily fix irrelevant anchor text for your internal links using link actions. This issue usually happens when a page contains anchor text that no longer accurately reflects the linked content due to updates and changes. Let's start. First, go to Link Actions on your sidebar. Within this list, you can find your irrelevant anchor text issues under the Content Optimization category here. To view details about the issues, click Fix Issue. You will see a list of pages containing irrelevant anchor text. Next, select the pages you want to fix. Then click Fix Selected Items at the top right corner here. From inside this window, you can see how the anchor text and the URL are mismatched. For example, the anchor text feet here links to a page about video games are a waste of time, which is irrelevant. And here you can see how this anchor text is used in the content. Next, there are two ways you can fix irrelevant anchor text for your internal links. You can either generate relevant anchor text suggestions to replace the irrelevant ones, or remove the hyperlink from the anchor text. To generate an anchor text suggestion, first click this star icon. Once generated, you can preview how the sentence will look like after adding the new anchor text here and compare it to the previous version by clicking this arrow. To replace the irrelevant anchor text with this new one, check this box to select the changes, then click Apply Selected Suggestions. Be advised that appropriate anchor text suggestions may be limited if the original anchor text is significantly irrelevant to the target URL. If that happens, you can choose to remove the hyperlink from the anchor text by selecting the link and then click Remove Selected Links. Please note that these changes only apply to a specific page, as displayed on the top left corner here. To fix the irrelevant anchor text on other pages you've selected, you can navigate between the pages by clicking on the numbers here, like this. And that's how you fix irrelevant anchor text. No more worrying about confusing search engines and visitors with mismatched anchor text and target content. If you face any issues, send an email to support@hello@linkvector.io.